Hey, I'm Birdalert, and this is YouTube upload tips for your gaming channel videos. Hopefully these things help. I'm going to be speaking really fast, and I'm also going to be talking about a program called TubeBuddy, so I suggest you check that out. There's a link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so feel free to click it, or Google search TubeBuddy and find it on your own. Let's get started really quickly. Before I begin, I think it's important that I mention that your content needs to be something that's quite unique and original. If you're up against a whole bunch of videos that people have already done, you're not going to be found very easily. So it's important to pick a topic or a video game that has not been done very often that you think might be unique enough to get viewed a lot. So the first thing that I do is my title. It's very important to have a good title in your gaming videos. I use TubeBuddy and I do a keyword search in YouTube, and on the side here it shows you there's the search volume and there's a search competition, and it gives you an overall rank for that search. Try and find something that's either good, very good, or above. The next thing would be a short description in your title that describes what your video is about. I include my name in every single video, and then in brackets I have a single word. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's new, sometimes it's 2018. The next thing that's really important is the description and the advanced settings in your video. For the description, what I do is I copy paste my entire title as the very first thing. The YouTube algorithm will use those keywords in the title and the description to find videos in the search. The next thing I do is I write a short paragraph describing what my video is about, and then after that I copy paste any information about things that I'm talking about in my video straight into the description. If it's a video game that I'm talking about, I go to Steam and I grab the game info, I copy it, and I paste it down there. As much information as you can get in there that's relevant, the better. You also want to set in the advanced settings the game title. The next thing is the tags. Now these are very, very important in the way that YouTube finds videos and shows them in a ranking on the search. What I do is I grab the first little section of my title, I copy that, and I paste it as the first tag. The next part of the title, I copy and I paste it as the second tag, and then my name, and then the short word afterwards. After that, I use TubeBuddy and I grab other keywords from my description and I put those as tags in there as well. One tip is I always put my name in the tags, and I put it for every single one of my videos, so when someone is watching a video of mine, on the right hand side in suggestions, my videos have a better chance of showing up in there. A key to the tags is not too many tags, but enough tags. Longer description tags are good, but you don't want to have irrelevant information. Next is the best practices and tools. This is a pro option. If you have the pro version of TubeBuddy, then you can use the best practices and the tools. Down below, there's the tag tools. You can add tags right to your tag list. In the best practices, there's a big list of all these things that you should do for your videos. Next up, we have the cards and the screens. These I don't find too important, but I like to put them in case people want to click on something during the video. I try and keep them to between about 2 and 3 cards per video, and I want the topic to be similar. So if I'm doing a video on lightfall, I want to have cards that relate to lightfall. As for the end screen, this is something that I have a bit of a different opinion about. While I'm talking about the game at the end as an outro, I have those videos pop up so that I don't lose interest from people watching the video. It just goes straight into the end screens and they have the opportunity to click those. And the last tip that I have for you is the video thumbnail. A great free tool for online thumbnail creation is called Pixlr. So here when I'm making my thumbnails, I usually try and keep it simple. Now something that people don't really know about video games is that the developer or the publisher usually have a website that's called the press kit. So for example, if I go to the Lightfall press kit page, I can see a whole bunch of images there and also the logo. And most of the time the logos are PNGs with alpha. So you can just put those right on top of your screenshot or your image, and it's already got the alpha cut out. So what I do is I grab my image, I stick the title on there, I put some text on there, and that's pretty much it. I try and make the image something that's interesting with some good colors in it, a main character or an antagonist, and you want the text to be nice and big so that people can see it, even if the thumbnail is really small. There you go. Those are my tips and tricks. Hopefully that helps you guys get your videos viewed and searched a little bit more than normal on YouTube. If you guys enjoy the video, drop a like, feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be doing more of these tutorial videos in the future, and I will catch you guys next time. I'm Birdalert. Peace.